Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to introduce to you all the Prayaas test series for 10th and 12th standard students of CBSE and Maharashtra board for the year 2020-2021. This test series provides a lot of perks to you all. So let's see. Why Prayaas test series when there are so many test series in the market going on? But Prayaas test series provides you with some of the best perks that no other test series can provide. Let's see. As of now, online exams are conducted only in the MCQ format. Students are unaware about the paper presentation techniques, and most of them have also slightly forgotten how to write on a piece of paper for 3 hours continuously. Many of the schools are conducting the online exams only in the MCQ format or Google Form formats. And the board exams are going to be conducted in the offline format as it was conducted in previous years. Team of Prayaas test series also helps you find your weak areas and provides you with tips and tricks to excel in your weak areas. So, I'll give you 5 reasons here why Prayaas test series is the best in market and why should you opt the series. Analysis. Analysis will be provided after every exam. This analysis will help you tell your weak and strong areas, as well as the areas you can excel in little efforts with. This analysis will help you score almost 5 to 8% more in your board exam than you're scoring currently. Analysis encourages you to study more and achieve your goal. This analysis has previously proved very useful for many of our students. Success. Success is very important in our life. Scoring good marks in board exams is one of its kind success. The team of Prayaas test series gives you guarantee that 85 to 90% of the questions given in the test series would be asked in the final board exams, and that gives on a little advantage to you compared to the people who don't opt for Prayaas test series. Guidance. Answer sheets will be sent to you after checking, and personal guidance session will be arranged to point out your weak and strong areas. The paper arranged would be of the latest paper pattern and reduced syllabus. This helps students prepare in the correct direction. Strategic timetable. As dates of JEE mains and other entrance exams are released, Prayaas test series provides a strategically planned timetable for the mock exams, which keeps in mind the dates of other exams as well. So the dates of the mock exams will never clash with the dates of other exams. This will help you schedule your timetable, your personal study timetable very accurately. All subjects. Unlike the other test series in the market, Prayaas test series provides you mock tests for all your subjects, including computer science, IT, German, and much more. Most of the test series in the market provide you question papers for P, C, and M subjects, but scoring great in the board exams also takes study of these subjects. You should be also good in these subjects to score 90 above marks in your board exams. And most of the test series books you buy in the market only provides you with the question papers. But the point is, who is going to correct the mistakes you are going to make, and you also don't know that you are doing those mistakes. That adds to the advantage of the Prayaas test series. Low price. 3 mock papers of each subject will be provided for only rupees 2000. This is a really low price as compared to the big coaching institutes which provide it for a lot more money. This price is really less because it's not going to make hole in your pockets. How to enroll? To confirm your enrollment, you can send a WhatsApp message on this number given here in the following format. Please don't forget to mention all your subjects so that you are sent the question papers of all the subjects and you don't miss anything. Contact. For further more information, you can call or WhatsApp on this given number 84120354454. WhatsApp group. You can always join the WhatsApp group for more updates. The link is given in the description box. I end this video here and suggest you to enroll as early as possible in Prayaas test series. Signing out. Bye-bye.